What's up, guys? We're going live. This is YL with Blockchain Academics, going to be sharing the cryptocurrency news for today. Like to start it off on CoinMarketCap to take a look at some of the top cryptos. So we're kind of just consolidating, stagnant. XRP had the biggest gains yesterday. Right now, small losses, small gains on the top 10 coins, nothing major. The cryptocurrency market cap is sitting just under 200 billion, so we were kind of stagnant around the $200 billion mark. Hopefully we can get up and keep pushing right here. So let's jump in here. I've brought Coinbase up a lot of times because Coinbase is making some major moves in the crypto world. But this article states that 20% of Coinbase trades are made by its cryptocurrency exchange itself. So employees working at the exchange or Coinbase, whatever it is, they're taking up 20% of the volume. If you think about it, that's very like manipulative, because if you're looking at Forex exchanges or whatever other types of exchanges and you're placing trades with them, take in that they're seeing your open orders, they're seeing your stop losses, they're seeing your targets. Everything they need to kind of beat you in the trade, they have all that insider information, you could kind of say. Let's say that you're using it on a margin trade. Let's say that you short Bitcoin and there's billions, let's say millions of dollars that have opened up a short or long position, and then Poloniex or Coinbase comes in here and then they wipe all your stop losses and then they get into massive profit. So that's kind of a problem with me. Like, I don't think that's cool. First of all, they shouldn't allow, if you work at Coinbase, let's take in the lottery. If you work for the lottery company, you're not allowed to play the lottery. Fair and simple, because if you win, it's not fair. Even though they're not going to know what numbers to pull and things like that. But this is just like, if you're working at Coinbase and you have access to all those trades, all that information, it's not fair for you to trade, especially if they're taking 1/5, 20% of the trading volume. So these are platforms that do trade on their own platform, you could say. Bitfinex is one. A lot of hate on Bitfinex and USDT because they created Tether. Bitflyer, never heard of. Coinbase, yep. Poloniex I've heard of. TEDx as well. So these companies do trade on their platform. Just thought you should know if you want to kind of avoid them. And then the companies that don't are Gemini, which is pretty trusted. Winklevoss Brothers, the Bittrex, I use personally, I really like it. Bitstamp and HBus. And then would not disclose is ItBit. They probably have a lot of more cryptocurrency exchanges that haven't disclosed either. Like, I know Kraken isn't working with the US government, so they're kind of calling it shady and whatnot. But I don't want all my trades to be given to the US government either, even though I'm not US resident or citizen. It's just like, why do they want that information? Here's the funny one. Texas regulators go after cryptocurrency scammers. So I wish I had the video. I'm going to look for it and I'm going to try and share it. But they had a 33-second video of Obama endorsing the cryptocurrency company. So it's like, come on, man. If you fell for that, they have the right to take your money, man. Nah, I'm just kidding. I hate scammers and people that try to steal your cryptocurrency. I hug my cryptocurrency as close as possible. That's why you should get a BitFi wallet, first unhackable wallet, bitfi.info.com. But these guys were sending false emails stating their Coinbase affiliation. Then they had this Obama endorsement videos. So these companies were, I guess, operating and fundraising in Texas, but they were out of Belize. They're based in Belize. So if you see companies, here's some quick tips for you guys. If you want to invest into a cryptocurrency company or high yield investment program or whatever it is, if there's no team that's visible, red flag. If they're in a random country, I don't want to say Belize is random, but in a country where, let's say they just disappeared and you can't do anything about it, another red flag. Support or contact are slacking. There's no support or contact. And if they offer high interest rates, man, just stay away from it. Also, if you do want to keep pushing forward, post it below. Send me a message. I'll do a full review on it and I'll give you my yes or no to whatever it counts to you. But if you gotta ask me, it's most likely a no. Bitcoin is nearing up its 10 years, and I'm pretty happy. I'm gonna actually get a full-on cake, a nice friggin' cake done for Bitcoin. I'm gonna put it on the channel. We're gonna eat the shit out of it, and just gonna celebrate 10 years of Bitcoin. These guys are celebrating it a little bit different than I am. They've opened up a free exhibit for Bitcoin, like an art exhibit, so you can go check it out. It's opened. The dates were, I guess, the 28th of September to the 5th of October. And look at this. There's a bunch of QR codes painted on there as well, so you can actually send a tip or whatnot. It's actually beautiful. Art's beautiful. Bitcoin's beautiful. Nobody could have mixed it any better than that. And then the last thing I wanted to touch on for today, which is good news, guys. UK wants to end the wild, wild west, like the branding to crypto. That's what it's kind of branded as, like the wild, wild west. They want to end that, which is great for us. So their lawmakers, the Treasury Committee, says the government is working quick to kind of put regulations, make it less volatile, make scammers and hackers, like put procedures so scammers and hackers have less success rates on stealing your cryptocurrency, and work with exchanges and whatnot. I know Coinbase has a UK office there too, but what they stated specifically is they want to be the crypto hub of the world, a trading crypto hub of the world. So if UK, with tons of banking there, and infrastructure that's already there, if they want to be the crypto hub of the world, like, what does that tell you guys? Is crypto dead? Is it going to disappear? Is the bubble over? Like, why are countries fighting for this name, for this, like, position? We got a bunch of Singapore, for instance, and another island. It's on the top of my head. I just forgot it. There's a bunch of countries trying to be like the crypto hub, the crypto country. So it says the UK is in race with other financial hubs around the world who are also vying to become the world's crypto capital. It's important that this regulation is implemented as quickly as possible. And when they introduce regulations like that, we have more accredited investors, we have more people coming in, more people are trusting the system, the process to come and invest their cryptocurrency or their fiat into cryptocurrency, which means the price is going up. So you crypto holders, that's good for us. These things are good for us. You guys are saying regulations and whatnot is bad for us, screw off governments. No, we need this to unlock more money for our market cap. We need this to unlock billions of dollars that can push Bitcoin higher, or any other shitcoin that you guys are invested in. So that's my 2 cents for the day. That's some breaking news that I thought was worthy to share. Like, subscribe, comment, and make sure, if you have any questions, just post them below. We're going to post a bunch of content here, a bunch of opportunities, and that's about it. So I'll see you guys tomorrow for the same thing.